Welcome to our Aloo Paratha factory. Today, I'll take you through the entire process, from fresh raw materials to the delicious parathas.
Watch the forklift coming through.
Got it. Are these spices going to Section 3?
Affirmative. Stack them carefully.
Quality check complete on the potatoes. Everything looks fresh. Good, good. I just finished labeling the last crate.
Did you confirm the intake for the microchips?
Yes, the system updated in real time. We are fully stocked.
Firmness is good on this batch. Color looks consistent. No major defects found yet.
High-quality raw materials are the foundation of our delicious aloo parathas. Every ingredient is carefully inspected to ensure freshness and purity before production begins.
Humidity levels are stable at 45%.
Confirmed. Temperature holding at 4.1 Celsius.
We need 2 more sacks over here.
Bringing them right over.
Check the temperature on vat 3.
This one looks good, no green spots. But this one here has too much damage.
Thorough washing, precise peeling, and controlled boiling are essential to prepare the perfect potato filling for our aloo parathas.
The timing on this batch seems a little slow. I've adjusted the conveyor speed. It should be fine now.
We are maintaining the required viscosity here.
Yes, the automatic feeder is working smoothly.
The probe is engaging the sample.
Look at the peak force reading. It's within the acceptable range for this formulation.
Creating a smooth, flavorful potato paste is key to the perfect aloo filling. We blend the right spices and textures to ensure every bite is delicious.
The temperature in tank 3 is stable.
Good. We can increase the flow rate now.
The sweetness is balanced, but the mouthfeel is slightly grainy.
Yes, the analyzer confirms a deviation in consistency here.
The weight on line 3 is drifting slightly.
I see it. Adjusting the calibration now. Are these ready for the proofer?
Just pulling the last few irregulars now.
The filling looks consistent on this run.
Good. Keep an eye on the speed settings.
Keep an eye on the temperature regulation over there.
Yes.
Looks stable from here, but I'll double check the flow rate. Everything looks uniform. The thickness readings are holding steady at 3.2 millimeters.
Let's bump the intensity up just a little. Need to make sure the coverage is completely uniform before it moves on. If you want to explore more behind-the-scenes factory tours and learn about food production, like this video and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.